Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is GamerCat. You're watching GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. In today's episode, we're going to go ahead and continue climbing the ladder. Well, we kind of fell back a little bit last time, but we did get a whole bunch of Paladin cards played. So let's try again. Certainly don't want to fall too far down here. I mean, I'm in rank 18, which is pretty decent. I'd rather be going upward. We'll see what we can do. Okay. Starting the game. Don't like that. Let's get rid of all of these. See if we can't get a little bit better. And we did. Very good. Very nice. He'll probably bash his. He'll probably kill his own minion there to get a drug. Hit the card that she gets. At the same time, trying to clean the field. Well, maybe not. But I don't have to worry about that. What I'm going to do is hit. And make sure that, well, he won't be able to survive that battle, but still. Let's clear the field a little bit. Now, of course, that makes him a target because he's the only guy out there, but...
Mind if I roll lead?
Nope. I don't like him being able to have a character out there, so let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Now I have control of the field for right now. Once again, my tactic is generally always to try to control the field. At the same time, I'm also trying to be smart about it. When it's better to hit the face, you always try to hit the face. In this case, doing it this way, where I'm insisting on controlling my field, it should, unless he has a spell to do something about it, it should get increasingly, it should get increasingly harder for him to take control of the field. Now in this case, before he gets too many of those out there, I'm going to want to, ouch. I'm going to get a couple cards out of this, but that minion's going to die, pretty sure. Yeah. Okay, what did I get? Okay, well. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to get out there and silence them. No more of those for you. And let's take this power. And we'll take one of you. Go away. And oh, by the way, we're at, well, hold off on you. I want to be able to actually use that power, so let's not deploy him when nobody else can attack. Ah, damn. Hit the face, hit the face, go for the face. You only have one crystal left, dude. There shouldn't be too much that you need to be doing. Didn't think so. Come on. Oh, this guy. All non-Murloc creatures. So him and all these relatives do. Okay, everybody except you. And it'll save my draw card things here. So let's go ahead and do that. Die. Oh, I forgot about that. Damn it. Yeah, shut up. Ow! That's face and probably game. A total miscalculation there. Very interesting tactic. A total miscalculation on my part. It happens. Like I said a couple games ago, I think several times now. As you go up the ladder, you get better players with more sophisticated tactics. So, yeah. In the meantime, didn't make any progress on the ladder. Or on the quest. I actually fell on the ladder a little bit. So we're needing to improve a bit. So hey, let's go ahead and give you a double header on this one. Why not? Okay. Who are we going to get to play? Oh, the Shaman. This is our first viewing of Morgul.
I will fight with honor.
Who doesn't do anything for Murlocs, by the way. That's good. Go ahead and give it back to him because I want to summon. Jeez. I may have to summon one of him. No, go to 3. I may be in a world of hurt right now. Just go ahead and throw something out there as bait. Attack it. Not that it matters. Here next turn I'll be able to go ahead and kill all 3 of those. This guy right there. Yep, he'll... Okay, get rid of that. Although the damage has been done. We're down to 23. And he's starting to try it back. He's starting to resurrect everything back up again. Damn. Okay, this other Murlocs. Okay, not bad.
Let's meet Petunia, shall we?
You. Okay, a little bit different. There we go. a Shaman Murloc deck. Interesting. 2 Murloc decks going at it.
What's this apple on your head?
There we go. Wow. He's doing a good job beefing this up. Bad news is he's also doing kind of a not so good job of attacking my face, although he's not seem to necessarily needed to worry about all that right now. What's the best use of my 6 here? Let's see. You're beefing things up. You've already done your thing. Yeah. Let's go with you. Maybe that'll slow things down a little bit. In the meantime, nothing really is going to get killed if I do anything. So let's go ahead and hit the face. Make him hit me. I shall smack your face. Aww. Now see that at this point that's just being rude. Three damage to... Might as well try to get you. Not that I think it's going to work. And, yeah, I'm pretty well dead in the water, so I may as well go ahead and concede this one.
The victory is...
If I don't have a field, there's not much I can really do. Not a problem. Not a problem, though. We are going to go to rank 19, though. Alright. Anyway, once again, if you see something that I could have done better, let me know in the comment section below. In the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off. No, by the way, we did get a few cards for a few points toward our daily quest. So, this is GamerCat signing off.